I'm Daniel Rearte, Argentina, coordinator of the Lallemand, that is INTA laboratory at Agropoli, Montpellier. INTA is the National Institute for Agriculture Technology for Argentina. I'm here now as a speaker for this international seminar, and the main topic, of course, is the livestock sector in Argentina. Argentinian sector, the livestock sectors, as other production sector, is having a very big change, talking about territorial distribution, because of the increment in the cash crop land during the last 15 years. The livestock area was reduced more than 15 million hectares. It means that the livestock have to be readapted to this lower land. Because of that, and even because for Argentinian beef production is very important, talking about economic point of view, the beef production have to be increased in this case, not by increasing the stocking, the national stock as it was in the past, but increasing production efficiency. I mean, production, the amount of beef that we produce per hectare. This is a goal that we are having very clear, because there is no chance to go back to have more land, even because it's not for the country to take land from the cash crop because of the importance of the cash crop in the economy. Because of that, the Argentinian system, even continue being grazing system, become more intensive. When we talk about intensify our system, we don't talk moving about feedlot or confinement. We are talking about intensify the grazing system. What does mean? The cattle remain on pasture through all the year, but instead of having 100% pasture as a diet, they have pasture supplemented with grain, conserved forage, and cereal byproducts. It makes that the stocking rate could be increased, and the beef production increasing too. But another very important topic for Argentina is beef quality. Argentinian beef have a high international reputation for being producing on pasture with very high nutraceutic value, very high amount of unsaturated fatty acid, of CLA, conjugated linolenic acid. We don't want beef to lose beef quality. And all the research we're doing is that because of the low level of corn or conserved soil or grain or byproduct supplementation, beef quality remains closer to the beef produced in pasture. So the main two topics that we have to work at the same time that we increase production is beef quality and sustainability. Talking about sustainability, it's going in the same direction. Because of this intensification process, the diet could become more digestible. So the methane emission that we are measuring are lower than before. What I mean, this intensification process is making the system more sustainable instead of less sustainable. And it's already measured. And if at the same time we increase production, really there is a strong reduction in methane emission intensity. It means the amount of methane that could be produced by kilogram of beef would be lower in the future than it was in the past. The perspective, as I said, is to increase production but increasing productivity. We have decreased livestock from 60 million to almost 50 million after the draw, and now the stock was recupered. It was recupered to 51, 52 million. We don't need to go for more cow, for more cattle. What we need is to have more calf per cow, and this is our objective. So, as I said at the beginning of the talk, we are moving for a better production, but relying on productivity more than total cattle stock.